Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, it would be how to crochet for beginners. So paano nga ba? Paano ba magsimula mag-crochet? So dito sa video na ito, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano kayo mag-start, kung ano yung mga dapat nyong malaman para makapag-create kayo ng crochet items. So let's get started. Alright guys, so now, ituturo ko sa inyo yung tinatawag na slip knot. So ito yung pinakauna mong dapat gawin para makapag-start ka mag-crochet. So sa slip knot, gagawa lang tayo ng parang buhol na pinaka-base para ma-secure yung ating gagawing crochet items. So first, ang ginagawa ko is, yung 2 fingers mo, kukuha ka ng yarn dito, iikot mo siya, tapos, after nun, ibabaliktad mo ulit yung daliri mo, split mo siya, kukuhanin mo itong working yarn. And that's it. Meron ka ng slip knot dyan, tapos isi-secure mo lang siya, as easy as that. Okay? One more time. Dalawang daliri, kukuhanin mo itong yarn, then baliktad, split, kuhanin mo yung working yarn, then secure. So meron ka na ngayong slip knot. Okay? So kung mahirap sa inyo yun, meron namang madaling gawin para makagawa ng slip knot. It's very easy. Ikot mo lang siyang ganyan sa yung daliri. Kuhanin mo ito. There you go. Diba? Okay. One more time. Ikot mo yan sa isang daliri mo dito. Kuhanin mo yung working yarn. Yan, may slip knot ka na. After nun, hilain mo siya to secure. As easy as that. So, that would be your slip knot. So, meron na tayong slip knot. Ngayon, makaka-start na tayong gumawa ng chain. So, paano ba gumawa ng chain? So, yarn over, pull through, pasok mo siya sa butas, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Ayan. Ganyan dapat yung magiging itsura niya. Last time, sabay-sabay tayo, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So, yan yung tinatawag natin na chain. So, since meron na tayong chain, makakagawa na tayo ng crochet ngayon. Ituturo ko sa inyo yung mga different kinds of crochet. So, the first one is what we call the single crochet. So, the single crochet, makikita mo yung mga butas-butas dito sa chain na ginawa mo, diba? Ang una mong gagawin is ipapasok mo yung hook sa isa sa mga butas. And then, kukuhanin mo yung yarn, yung working yarn mo, hilain mo siya paloob, then may matitira kang dalawang yarn dyan sa yung hook, then yarn over again, pull through 2. Ulitin natin, papasok mo yung hook sa butas, yarn over, pull through, you have 2 yarns on your hook, yarn over, then pull through. You have your single crochet right there. One more time, pasok mo yung hook mo sa chain, then yarn over, pull through, you have two yarns on your hook, then yarn over, pull through 2. That is your single crochet. So let's move on to our double crochet. So sa double crochet, ang una mong gagawin is yarn over, papasok mo siya sa butas ng iyong chain, then kukuha ka ulit ng yarn over, you will have 3 on your hook, yarn over, ipapasok mo yung yarn sa dalawa, then meron matitira ulit na dalawa, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, one more time, yarn over, pasok mo siya sa butas ng iyong chain, yarn over, may matitirang 3, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay? Isang beses pa. Yarn over, pasok sa butas ng chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So, yan yung ating double crochet. And now, let's move on to our half double crochet. Sa half double crochet, you need to yarn over ulit. Papasok mo ulit siya sa butas ng iyong chain. Then, yarn over. You will have 3 on your hook. And then, yarn over, pull through 3. So, this is half double crochet. One more time, guys. Yarn over, pasok mo siya sa butas, yarn over, you will have a total of 3, yarn over, pull through 3, and that is half double crochet. Isang beses pa, yarn over, pasok mo sa butas, yarn over, will have 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 3. So that is half double crochet. And lastly guys, ituturo ko sa inyo yung tinatawag na treble. So sa treble, ang gagawin nyo is yarn over 1, 2 times. Dalawang beses mo siyang i-yarn over. Tapos ipapasok mo siya sa chain. Then, yarn over, pull through. You will have 4. Yeah, you will have a total of 4 on your hook. Ayan. So, yarn over. Papasok mo siya sa dalawa. May matitirang 3. Yarn over. Papasok mo ulit siya sa dalawa. May matitirang 2. Yarn over. Pull through 2. You got it? One more time, guys. Yarn over twice. Pasok mo siya sa chain. Yarn over. Pull through, you will have a total of 4, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So, 3 beses kang mag-pull through. 3 beses mo siyang hihilain. Alright? Let's do it for the last time. Yarn over twice. Pasok sa butas ng chain. Yarn over, you'll have a total of 4, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that is our treble. So that ends our video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the video and may natutunan sana kayo kahit papano, so that it would be easy for you to follow tutorials on YouTube. Please do subscribe on my channel para makapanood pa kayo ng other videos na i-upload ko soon. I will be creating tops and anything na magawa ko with the crochet, i-share ko sa inyo on my channel. So please do subscribe, and if you like the video, please press thumbs up, and thank you so much again for watching. Have a good day.